Hey guys, Micah White here. Now, how would you like to get 100 leads per day or 200 leads per day? I'm talking about 6,000 leads per month for just $30 a month. Unheard of. My lead gen secret. I'm getting ready to show you how. Stay tuned. All right, guys, here we go. My lead gen secret. Now, if you are a newbie, not even say a newbie, if you just need traffic to your opportunity, this is the perfect system. This is the perfect system. This is a very well thought out, put together system. I was getting this. I didn't pay a lot of attention to it. I've been saying it for about a week now. And, I was getting it through an email. Had this guy that was emailing me, and, this was one of the offers that he was sending. And I looked at it a few times, but you know how you do. You just clicking and looking, and he kept sending. I kept looking at these emails that had catchy titles, and I just kept opening. And, one day I just decided really to look at his video. And that really made me open my eyes up. Because this guy, he was a traffic expert. He was a traffic expert. Also, he was a traffic expert. So, that gave it some credibility. So I looked at it, and once I looked at the system, I said, you know what, let me try it. 100 leads a day. And you sign up one referral. You get one referral, confirmed referral. Your lead count goes to 200 leads per day for just $30 a month. That's 6,000 leads a month. And get this, we have a lead swap every Friday. So you can potentially generate up to 100,000 leads in a month's time. Just imagine, sending out an email to 100,000 people. You're going to get sales, and no matter whatever you're promoting, as long as it's a credible promotion, whatever you're promoting, you're going to get sales. So this is why this system is so powerful. Like I said, I joined today, and I got my first 100 leads right here. I got my first 100 leads, and shortly after I joined, I went ahead and put together an email, and I sent it out to my list. Now, this right here, 21 opened. Out of 100 people now, 21 opened, 4 clicked. A 21% open rate, a 19% click-through rate. This is unheard of. Just imagine if this was 1,000. Just imagine if this was 10,000. How many people would have opened the email and looked at my offer? You play the numbers game, people. You play the numbers game. And from what I can see, and, other reviews of people that's been in a little bit longer than me, and they got their leads, they've been testing, and these leads are credible. These leads are responsive. These leads are responsive. So, to generate 6,000 leads a month, for only $30, that's unheard of. Okay. But I want to take you on a tour of this system, just do a quick review, just a quick tour of the site. Now right here, these are where you can see your leads. Now you can click here, and it'll show you all your leads, and it'll show you the information, where they're from, the state, it'll show you everything. But like I said, you can click right here, and it'll show you all your leads. It'll show you their, where the state they're from, the first, last name, but I'm not going to click on this because I don't want to show any information, email address and stuff like that. But this is where you can see your leads. Now here's the mailing system right here. Here's the mailing system. And so when you get ready to mail, what you're going to do is, of course, put your subject in, and you can customize it right here. I mean, you can customize your emails right here if you want to use the full name, first name, last name, whatever you want to put in there. Okay. And this is where you're going to put your email body right here. Now here you can, got a lot of options. You can pretty much bold. You can do anything you want to here. You can add images right here. You can add images. You can do so much. Now here's a feature that I use is the perfect timing feature. Now, and what it does is I guess the system it just sort of gauges what's the best time. And when you send the email, what's the best time, what time gets the best open rates, click-through rates, all this stuff. I mean, I guess it sort of figures it out, and it sort of pinpoints within a window of what's the best time to send out your email, and it will send it out accordingly. Or you can send it out yourself at any time you get ready. But like I said, this is the mailing system. And like I said, when you get ready to send your leads, you just click all. You just click all right here, and your leads will move over to here, and then they're ready to send. Now, my recommendation, send from you, because what you're trying to do, you got to warm these leads up. These are cold leads. They don't know you. Okay. They don't know you. So you want to warm these leads up. So you want to brand yourself. So, you always want people to get used to seeing your name. And another thing with the leads, these leads, let's go back to the leads. Okay. These leads, you can download these leads. You can download these leads and upload them into any third-party autoresponder platform, such as Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, SendLane, whatever you may use. But my recommendation is to use this system to warm your leads. Use the system to warm your leads. I mean, because you don't want to just download leads, because these lead services, these autoresponder services, they charge you according to how many leads that you have in your database. So you don't want you don't want to accumulate 10,000 leads. They don't know you, they still cold, and you put them in your system, and then you're having to pay extra money for them. So my recommendation is to warm these lists up. Now just imagine you're going to be getting 100 leads a day, and if you refer one person, one confirmed referral, you'll get 200 leads a day. That is 6,000 leads a month. Month 1, 6,000. Month 2, you'll have 12,000 on your list. Month 3, 18,000 on your list, and so on and so forth. That's why this system is so powerful, because you can generate leads like you would not believe. I mean, really. And I've been looking at other reviews. I've been looking at other things, and people, these are good leads. They're responsive, from what I can see. And, because there's a few other people that's been in this, been in Myleadgensecret longer than me. They've built up quite a few leads, and they say these leads are responsive. They are making sales, in what they're promoting. And my suggestion is to, promote Myleadgensecret in the beginning, because you want to get your first referral. And that's what I'm doing. I'm promoting Myleadgensecret. The email that I sent out today, beginner friendly instant traffic system, 30-day money back guarantee. That's promoting this system, because I'm gonna promote, and hopefully within the next day, couple 2 or 3 days, I'll have my first referral. And so I'll be getting 200 leads per day then. So, like I say, you can also here, you can look at your statistics, which I don't have much to go off of right now. But I'll be making other videos in the coming days of this system. Affiliates. Like I say, I don't have any affiliates right now. But now I can tell you this. Now I was thumbing through my emails today, and I had gotten some email from someone that's promoting this, but I didn't know what it was. And this email right here, now you're gonna have access to these emails to promote my lead gen secret. Okay, but this email right here, transactions speak louder than words. That email caught my attention. And I get a lot of emails every day, but this email, it caught my attention. And, you know, and I opened it up and then I started reading it. And I said, wow, I said, that's really neat. I said, and that caught my attention. These are the emails that you have access to. These emails are professionally written by professional copywriters. And these guys has figured out what to put, the words to use to make people react, to pique curiosity. You know, they know how to write copy, and obviously these emails have been written by professional copywriters. So that is a, you know, a bonus that that you'll get within this system. Okay. Now, they also have a recommended advertising, where they recommend some places to advertise, like Newspapers Alive, Organic Prospects, and Twice Confirmed Traffic. Now, I've not used any of these platforms, and you know, it'll be at your, you know, you can use these at your discretion and test and see if their traffic converts. All right. Now, this is the guy that come up, I guess, was the creator of the system. I guess Mr. Reed Florin. Now, I remember him from back in the day. Now, what he used to do, he had a he used to review solo ad providers, and he would provide a list of solo ad providers that you could trust. I mean, he reviewed them, reviewed the traffic, and if they made his list, you could sort of rest assured that they were good solo ad providers. Now, this guy, evidently, obviously, he understands and he knows traffic. So, you know, when I saw that was him, you know, it added some credibility to this system, because I used some of the solo ad providers back in the day. I used some of the solo ad providers that he recommended, and I had gotten good results. So, and I used his list often. His recommended list often. So when I saw that was him that put this together, yes, it added a lot of credibility, you know, to this. So I felt good about joining. And like I said, now bonuses. Now, a bonus that we get that, you know, when you join my team, is that we have a every Friday we have a list swap. Means everybody puts their names, puts their list in a pot, and they are then taken and scrubbed and checked for duplicates, and then they come out and they are dispersed back to the people that that participated. So, you know, all these names are going to a pot, and you'll get all these leads. So you can generate, really, you can accumulate up to 100,000 leads in a 30-day time frame. I mean, just imagine, you put your name, you put your 100 in, like say, you know, you put, you know, say for instance, you've been in a couple of days and you put 200 leads in the pot, and you have 10 other people that's putting 1,000 leads in the pot. Okay. There's 10,000 leads that 10,200 leads that's going to be coming back to you. So understand how you can build a list very, very fast with on this platform. Very powerful. So when you join my team, that's what you're going to, you know, that's what you're going to have access to. But that's about to wrap it up. But like I said, my lead gen secret, you know, I'm excited about it. I'm looking forward to building my list. I'm looking forward to warming this list up and having some great success with this list, and it's here for you to have also. But I'm gonna close this this video out. This is Micah White, and like I said, if you're looking at this on YouTube and you got some value out of this, hey, please subscribe to my channel. But Like I said, this is Micah White. I'm closing out. Stay tuned for more videos on My Lead Gen Secret. But until then, peace and prosperity.